What that is, fat man?
Shit, you know,
Huh?
that's him now.
Fat man.
You can help him now, son.
That's Spider-Man.
That Spider-Man? You like Spider-Man?
Shit, get a spot.
Oh man, I'm glad you like it. Huh?
Look, what?
What? Oh, look at that man. He all these Spider-Man. You like Spider-Man, man?
Look at Watson.
Look at me. You like Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Merry Christmas. I'm sorry I'm late for Christmas, but yeah. Look at your daddy with Spider-Man stuff for you. Huh? And your daddy put your Spider-Man stuff together? Mr. Cornell, say hi to the camera.
They had 3, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Cornell Traveler. Cornell Keith Traveler, say hi to the camera.
Hello there.
Yeah, see we taking video now. We're gonna put you on YouTube with your Spider-Man. Your daddy doing his Spider-Man stuff. Look, Spider-Man,
Oh,
he's a Spider-Man, man. That's all you gotta do is say, hey, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Huh, Cornell? Spider-Man. Yes.
Yeah, then they click on the wall.
Hello, Miss Linda.
Spider web.
Hello, Miss Linda. She's all cold out here in the cold and everything else. To bring fat man is Spider-Man. Huh? I got ya. Huh? Didn't you bring you your Spider-Man? And Miss Nisha, I caught her. She thought I didn't catch her, but look, she don't know. This going on YouTube with the card. It's her Merry Christmas. It's her birthday. And talking about her hair is not good, but guess what? She don't love me enough to give me a smile for my video, but I'm gonna put it on Facebook. It's going on YouTube just like that. And her name is Anissa. What's her last name? Huh? What's her last name?
That's Anisha Jenkins.
No.
Huh? What's her name?
Anisha Jenkins.
That's Nisha Jenkins? Anissa Jenkins, yes, Anissa Jenkins. The lady that's hiding behind the birthday card and Christmas card.
Right there.
That's how much little people do for you, you know. They take, but they don't want respect, huh? Huh? Hey, fat man, you like your stuff, huh? And you give me a big smile, huh? Yeah, geez, there you go. Thank you, fat man.